Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to draw on video from Veed. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Veed application or go to Veed IO website from your browser. Then, once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From there, go to the video in which you want to draw. Once you have selected your project, then this type of interface will appear in your screen. From here you can see elements from the left side of your screen. Click on elements, then scroll down a little bit. There you can see draw option. Click to draw. From there you can draw anything that you like. This is how you can draw in Veed IO. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.